Okay, guys.
Hurry!
The Uper tree, wasn't there multiple shells in that?
That was good!
Alright, doing the junior Uper and then... Oh, he has the airplane one. He has the airplane one.
Really? Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna do the mud in yet.
These are probably...
It lasts 2 minutes. Tell them that
It's cold out here. It's like past my backpack.
Yo, right now he's gonna do the junior Uper. I don't think they can see
Okay.
very
Wait, they're doing the junior Uper right now?
Yeah.
You're doing the junior Uper, right? Are you doing the junior Uper?
I don't know. He has 2 fireworks over there. He's doing the Uper. Let's hurry before he sets.
Well, I'm just moving it right here so I can use it. Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That moves the chair.
That was a good one, right, Nathaniel?
Yeah. Now what, They're doing it. What one are we doing? We're doing the air blast now. Yeah. Get out of the way, Coriana. Please sit in your chair. All right. So right now we're doing the air blast. We just did the junior Uper. It's like in a perfect angle where you can see it. Like God. I wish there was like multiple cameras. Can I sit in that one?
No, I got it first.
Carson, can you get me a chair?
It's like our people right there.
Okay.
Hurry, guys, hurry! Hurry! Hurry, they're just saying it!
They didn't even let it off yet.
They're saying
It
it
hasn't even set it down, Cariana. Alright, this is
Okay,
the air blast. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Next, I'm gonna see if he wants to do the mud in. Yeah. Dude, if it comes towards us, we're done for. I'm dipping it. I'm finna be running. Well, no, don't run in the house. The house will catch on fire. I'm finna run out that door. If anything, outside. Really? Yes, but you can just go run outside and run that way instead of going in the house. That's dumb.
I'm really scared.
What was I gonna say? If anything, I'm done because you guys are closer to the door than I am. Yeah. I should lighten it up. Let's just fingers crossed.
No, guys, I'm actually closer.
Yeah, you're closest. Except you're also the slowest. Like it's coming fast, so we have like 5 seconds to react. Since you guys are closer, Cariana, I would run that way. Nathaniel, Cariana, I would run that way. Carson, you run that way and just take cover. You guys should either you guys should run that way or Cariana should run to like that side of the corner of the house and then you run towards the tents by the pool. Yeah. If anything, I'm jumping in the pool. That ain't gonna save the pool. Just set on fire the outside of the pool and then the inside, and then it will pop and open, and then there's water everywhere. What are they doing? They're trying to set it off.
just explodes on them.
Then your stepdad and whoever the heck that idiot
My
is.
auntie.
Your auntie will be.
Why'd you call her an idiot?
Yes, you did.
I called her a weirdo.
Oh, weirdo then. Can we play that ladder game tomorrow?
I'm glad. This is kind of good. I'm glad we're having our first sleepover. It's pretty early.
Yeah.
And it's also not on a weekend.
I mean,
Look at that
You-
stuff. It's like.
Well, don't walk in front of it.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I think the pool's gonna be a little dirty.
yeah.
That.
I'm gonna tell him to do which one to do.
You just recorded that.
Wait, do that big round one. That big orange one.
I'm gonna say
Nathaniel.
this is the second to last
Nathaniel,
one.
you said
Oh.
that you're
We're gonna do the
cheering that.
mutton, then this one. Wait.
Yeah, it's on right now. I'm recording
We're
it.
gonna do the mutton, this one, this
I thought
one, this
you were
one, this
holding
one,
it.
this one.
Dude, look how much smoke.
Whoa!
Can you help me carry these?
Why?
I'm
You know, over to the table for, you know, which ones are next.
Woo!
Carry the razor back.
That's a good one.
We wanna do the razor back after that. Holy crap, that's a freaking bumblebee or something. I don't think it's a bee, but it's a fat freaking moth. There's a bunch of bugs around. There they go. Oh, I got bug spray in my eye. You want bug spray on you?
No.
They're gonna go after you. Ah, I got more in my eye.
Turn it up right now.
Oh, my drink. You sure you don't want bug spray?
Yes.
Want some?
No!
Yeah! Whatever. I'll leave it here to change mine. Yeah! You want some?
Like,
I'm just saying that.
It hurts. Like it's freaking mosquitoes.
Alright!
They're doing the mudding right now.
I'm so scared.
I just sprayed bug spray on me. What are the bugs doing on me?
My heart's really keep pounding. Run for it! Run! Run!
This one is kind of like the first one that was.
yeah.
Are they doing the mudding? This one is really that good.
Yeah.
I mean, oh, now I changed my mind.
What?
When I said that this one's not very that good.
Yeah. There's a moth.
Holy crap, that was a huge explosion.
There's mosquitoes over there. A whole bunch of them.
Those are all tiny moths, and that's mosquitoes.
Can I pick it
Looks
out?
like snakes.
You do the razor back.
Should I carry it out to them?
I think they're lighting another one. Yeah, they're lighting another one.
They're writing another one.
This. Yeah. I'm so scared.
Razorback next. How about the Ultra Rooper next?
The Super Youper.
Run for it! Run!
Oh, that one's cool.
Yeah.
What was that one? What was the one that just shot up in the air? Just one?
Razorback? Razorback?
Oh, he's grabbing a few mortars too. So he's gonna do a razorback and then mortars at the end.
What's mortars?
The one that went off, like the one that just made the giant sparkle.
Okay, now I can see much more better. Now I can see much more better.
It's 10 minutes already.
The bug spray don't work really good. There's even more bugs there.
Yeah.
Now I can see much more better.
No, that's definitely bug repellent, not bug repel.
Yeah.
You don't want to light any off?
Huh?
Dude, you don't want to light any off?
Green Bay Packers.
Suck. These. Holy crap, there's a fat moth again. You see how fat that thing is? Thing's eating good.
Eating these nuts.
What kind of run was that? Razorback is definitely a good choice. Oh, that was cool.
Yeah.
There's that one fat moth flying everywhere and it's just scaring me.
Yeah.
Alright, which one do I want to do next? Can I pick? Can I pick? Ah! We're going to do brain freeze.
You cold?
Then
Good thing you still don't have any swimming.
What about the more sparklers?
It's real cold.
We'll do those after.
Yeah. Green Bay Packers.
That's what?
Green Bay is my favorite.
Papa, what want you to say?
Huh?
What you to say?
You want me to stay?
Oh!
Okay, come on.
That's the one Carson stepped on.
Yeah, and he threw it in the pool.
Looks like a butt.
Ariana, are you sticking it in your mouth because it looks like a butt?
No.
Okay, look at the giant moth. Oh, somebody already got. Did you step on the giant moth?
Probably.
Who stepped on the giant moth?
Probably your papa.
It like just died then. Maybe I stepped on it on my way delivering the firework.
Yeah.
Cute. What?
Good old bug.
What's next?
They're doing 3 mortars and the brain freeze.
Where are you guys getting the motors from?
That little willow pack right there, the Jupiter willow. That's what they're getting it from.
They're like moths.
Oh.
They like the light.
They're gonna try doing. They're gonna try to do all 3 at the same time. If they can't, they're just gonna do one at a time.
Bunch of moths. Oh, man, just come over here.
Auntie and David are lighting them off, right?
And we got another David.
What?
His name is David.
2 Davids.
David, and we got my grandma Carol.
David number 1, David number 2.
And then we have. That's my grandma. Her name is Sarah. He's Pat, and my mom's name is Kylie.
My name is Jake.
It's freaking cool off my.
I can hear the train, dude.
I
You got any food? Mosquitoes. Get away. They're annoying.
I'm getting another piece of. Bro, I thought you would wear off, bro. With the time when you burnt your thumb, it must have been not that bad because my pain still hasn't gone away.
Dude, I got a direct hit on that.
Same,
It just went.
Bro, did you see what the sparkler did? It literally pushed my thumb so bad.
Yeah. Like a bottle rocket.
Yeah.
Is there a reason it's called a bottle rocket?
Because you shoot them out of bottles.
Mm-hmm.
They're a rocket. Did you not just let it off? Why is she still there? Oh, you're doing the mortars?
Got the lighter.
Are you doing the mortars and the brain freeze at the same time? Which one are you doing then?
And then after that, you're gonna do brain freeze? Okay, so we're gonna do. Okay, what's next? The orange one or the junior Uber? The junior Uber, we're gonna do it. Holy crap! Are you sure that's not a bug? Come here? I literally sprayed a bunch of bug spray. Yeah. Oh, the spot that I burnt is actually hard. I think I'm gonna have a scar there. The part that I burnt, it's like hard.
So many of them.
Like dry skin, probably. Here are the 3 motors. There's a car coming. Oh, that one was sick. So that's what a motor is? A motor. Mortar. Oh my gosh. Did you see my auntie? Bam! Dude, that was so cool. Only if you had, I wish they had the cannon where you can shoot multiple mortars off at the same time. Yeah. I think that's bug come here, not bug repellent. Yeah. Oh, this is the brain. Guys, this is a brain freeze. If you can't hear me. There should be 6 shots. Just shoots at us.
Wow.
Alright, you go give him the junior Uber if you want me to go get. So the first 2 solo fireworks were the mortars, and then right now this is just the most recent 16 shots was the brain freeze firework. We're gonna give him another the junior Uber because he bought 2 of them. Then we're gonna do the safari looking thing. We're also, and then at the end we're gonna do the super Uber, not the junior Uber, the super Uber. What's the longest video you've ever done? This has been going for almost 20 minutes.
Oh, that's not the longest video I've ever done.
What's the
Longest video was like 32 minutes. Me rearranging my room.
You made a video of you rearranging your room?
Yeah, it was like an hour long.
How many views did you get?
Like 0.
I mean, who would want to watch somebody rearrange their room?
Me.
Wait, can I give him the safari one? But you just gave him that one. So
You told me to.
yeah,
You had the option.
because it was your turn. My turn for this. I want to give him.
You can do that one.
I get to do the super Uber. The super Uber.
Just kidding.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You don't get to do 3 in a row.
Yes, I do.
No sleepover.
Okay.
I was just kidding.
Fine. No sleepover.
But I was just kidding. You don't want to sleep over? That's rude.
You don't want me to.
No, I just
That's
said
rude.
I said I was just kidding. Right, they're gonna set this off. Watch how fast they're gonna run. My auntie's gonna jump. You see that? She's like, whoa.
Yeah.
The girls in the back, so you can get. Whoa! This one was different. Oh, that was a mortar, not a super Uber.
Oh.
Now, nope, yep, super Uber. That's another freaking fat one too. You can make my head curl. Wait, is that copyright?
What?
What I was just singing, it was from another video. Copyright.
That looked like spider leg.
Spider leg.
This was $27.
What was?
Yes.
That was only 20. No, you're lying.
No, it says $27.
That's cheap for a firework like that.
And the Mega Uber is $90.
9?
Yeah, that one. The grand finale.
9?
90.
That's not so bad. It lasts 2 minutes, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm so sorry.
Huh? Yeah, some said by you. I'm just gonna finish this word.
You could have a chair.
Here you go. Hold that.
Oh, no. Yo, stay. Don't give me a cigarette when I have a giant freaking firework in my hands. Mom!
Well, what's it like? Run down the driveway, hold it over your head.
I've literally just throw it, bro.
Oh, I'll sit by you.
Bro, Papa just tried giving me a cigarette when I had this in my hand. Mama! Papa tried giving me a cigarette when I had this in my hand.
Huh?
What?
It's flying!
Oh, bro, it's the biggest one yet! No, shit, step on that, please. And they're disgusting!
Just a big moth.
They're fat and they'll land on your head and they'll lay baby eggs and then you get larvae in your hair.
Yeah.
I don't know if they actually lay eggs in your hair, but I hope they don't. The super. Well, I don't want to confuse them right now, but that's the safari that they're doing right now, guys. Yeah.
Step on it!
Where is it?
They're setting it up. Oh, no, they're doing some mortars first. They're doing a mortar right now. Sorry, I don't want to confuse you guys. They're doing it weirdly. I think it's a mortar. That's a mortar. Oh, yeah, they set 2 mortars off at the same time. It's pretty cool. Oh, God, it's the fat one.
I'm trying to step on it. Every time I get close, it takes off.
It went. Go.
Can you go step on it?
No.
I'll hold the firework while you do it.
No.
I will give it back. I'm serious. You can go give it to them. It's too heavy.
It's not that heavy. I don't know if it's 2 pounds. Oh, freaking moth in my shirt. Just go. Oh. Oh, do you see the guts?
That's a big one.
Is this a safari one? Yeah. That was it. I thought there was more shots.
Yeah. It said 12 shots on the side.
Oh, and only one had 12. I'll give him the grand finale! Oh, that's not a gut. Oh, that is good.
Hey, put him at my house, please.
Why does he call him Steve?
What?
Come on, go put him at my house.
Do you have any more fireworks, David, number 2? Do you have any more fireworks?
I only had a
The one that shot like a bumblebee towards the house?
couple. Yeah. It's supposed to go up in the air.
Me and Carson were talking about where we're gonna run if the fireworks shot towards us.
Yeah, and David and
Cariana would run that way, I would run that way, and Carson would run that way and take cover.
no, I would run with Nathaniel.
That was close. I was that way.
No, I would rather run with Nathaniel in the woods.
In the woods.
That's probably the worst idea. There would be like coyotes and stuff. I mean, I do want to pet a coyote.
Yeah, but coyotes can bite you.
Now that he's holding it over his head, light it and run.
Run, Forrest, run.
Carson, it's probably not a very good idea to have it on your head.
It's fireworks just start shooting out of it. Oh, Lord.
What if it shoots out from the bottom and hits your head?
You're just cool with it. No,
I'm staying the night here.
Yeah.
you're careful with fireworks. You hit it with a tree, or some kind of Japanese thing.
Bird.
Bird, bird, bird.
Bird. Birdie, birdie, bird.
Here
Put
comes
up
two.
inside of it.
Whoa. It's okay, bird.
Yeah.
Probably scared of fireworks.
That's good.
I might dip inside because of the big one because I'm kind of scared for it. Because it's 2 minutes long and he says it's going to be really big and scary. Carson said that it's like going to be so big and stuff.
I can hear some popping
Yeah, I can see it.
That's popping over there. Popping from there.
Are you going to the grand finale now?
July.
Or are they lighting some motors first?
Already July.
Dude, I'm scared for the grand finale.
I just shoot
Tomorrow's 4th of July.
Yeah.
I'm cold. I need a blanket. Okay, they're gonna set off it. Are they doing motors first?
Nope, they already did all the mortars. I think. I don't
Hey guys, are you ready for the grand finale? I'm scared too. It'll be fine.
You hear the whistles? Those are giant bottle rockets. There's these special bottle rockets that you can get, and they're giant and they explode in the air.
They go like more bottle rockets after.
They go like 200 feet in the air and then they just explode. Oh my god, you see how she's running?
Oh my god.
Okay, pretty simple. Nothing special. I swear, if it's only gonna be one firework every 2 seconds, I'm gonna scream.
Yeah, that's what.
Oh, that's sad, bro.
Honestly, I kind of think some other ones are.
Oh, they're speeding up.
Is that it?
You're going faster. You're going faster.
This is pretty boring, guys.
They definitely use a lot of these at public.
They're going faster, Nathaniel.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry, guys.
Oh god, now it's starting. Whoa.
They were silent, bro. It was like the silent, you know, like silent but deadly farts.
Yeah.
That's what it reminded me of.
Why?
I don't know, because it was silent. It didn't like explode. It was like. There's some parts in it where it starts speeding up and stuff, but otherwise it's pretty boring. Like that one part with the. Otherwise, it's not the coolest show that I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Thought it was gonna be like rapid fire, like boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting. That's why I was ready to dip.
Nah, sorry guys. I mean, probably towards the end of this, it's probably gonna get like freaking psycho. But right now, it's not the coolest.
I was honestly expecting it. Yep, there it goes.
Probably like the silent ones. They're just so satisfying.
Yeah.
They shoot like beetles, bro. Ready? Look. Like, do you see the little things that they like? Ready?
Loud first and then.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, they definitely use these at fireworks shows and stuff.
I was expecting that to be out through the whole entire show.
Yeah.
That wasn't 2 minutes, really?
That ain't 2 minutes. No way.
What's that good one, Nathaniel?
I was expecting better.
Is that it? They're watching. They're right there in the tree. Was that it? Yeah, they were. What I thought they were.
Oh. That was a lot boring than I wanted, than I expected. Yeah. Well, guys, that is it for this video.
Kind of sucks.
Yeah, that grand finale was kind of bum.
Normally they're a lot cooler.
For an expensive one, that's not really that good.
No, like normally if we had more people, like more adults, we'd get like these giant like mortar towers like this big. You know those huge mortars, ones that went up. We'll get a mortar tower like this that has like 50 mortars in it, and then we'll combine those with the super Youper. We'll get like 2 giant mortar towers. Oh, we'll normally use 4, and then 4 adults will we need 5, and then we'll do the super Youper and all the mortars. And sometimes we'll use like a few brain freezes in there too and stuff. That's when fireworks weren't so expensive.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Well, that's it for this video.
Actually, we might do some bottle rockets.
Yeah, bye.